Good evening, everyone, and welcome to session recap 7th of March 2016. My name is Nenad, and today we'll see 5 different setups as always, and I will show you past week results. As you can see, market has been very volatile. I hope that you made some pips on Friday and today. For all of you who still didn't read anything, starting from Friday and today, I published the analysis on Forex Street. It was pre-NFP analysis, and you can see it was exclusive analysis here, and you can see it easily that euro dollar behaved exactly as we wanted to. Basically, it was bullish, and today, if you read the analysis, also I made a bullish analysis, so I hope that you made some money. And you can see it here, euro dollar cupid candle on intraday chart exactly from this spot. Euro dollar is up 60 pips now, so I hope that it was very clear and that you have made some money. Okay, so before we begin with our session recap, let me give you a quick disclaimer. Online educational materials are available by Iron Markets Estonia for a global audience. If you want to take into consideration information in this session is not suitable for everyone, then you should visit ironmarkets.com, select your country, and contact appropriate entity. Read disclosure statement stating all possible risks associated with Forex market. By accepting the risk, you're also proceeding further with me. Final part explaining that Iron Markets will take no responsibility for information accuracy. This is solely my opinion, and in no way it represents the actual suggestion for the trade. Forex is risky business. This is not taken as advice. Okay, again, this is personal opinion only, and this webinar is for informational and educational purposes only. As you all know, Albion Market Supreme Edition is available for download by Traders Room, and also you can log into WebTrader platform at this address and trade directly from the web. Don't forget that Iron Markets is officially best MT4 broker UK. And Doug is saying very clear and made some money. Well, that is what I like to hear. Okay, excellent. So, risk disclaimer, you need to give price a breathing room. You enter within 5 to 15 pips of the predicted level if it's in agreement with your system. Use scaling in. If you're still not sure what scaling in is, then try to visit some of our webinars at albinormarkets.com YouTube channel, where I already explained how scaling in works. Always respect your stop loss, because you trade based on your stop loss. You don't trade based on your target price, because the only normal trading is when your trade is based on the risk. So you need to define your risk. So that is why you should always respect your stop loss. Add a spread to your stop loss. If there is no spread, for example, like on ECN accounts, then add 2 to 5 pips to your stop loss. We take only one position. Okay. We have alternative and positional trades. Positional trades are trend trades. Alternative trades are counter trend trades. Okay. And we only take one setup. So if you have 5 different pairs, you can have 5 different setups, right? But only one setup is valid. Well, sometimes people take the second one, not blaming, but still, for the best results, we take only one position. And don't forget that first touches of the zones are most profitable ones. Because of that, you should be wary. Right? And if you go with pending orders, always check what price, how price behaved after it reached your zone, because we are trading in the zone. We want a trade to be in the zone. Bok is saying hi to you, Bok. Position trades are trend trades, alternative trades are counter trend trades. Breakout trades and scalp trade levels are done independently. Usually it's a form of a second entry. Depending on time and volatility, usage of trailing stop is highly recommended. We use it usually after 20 pips of a profit, not less. These setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. Okay, scalp trade should be done at or very close to important support resistance levels. Those trades are calculated and levels are calculated by historical levels and Camarilla. You can add these levels to your system and definitely pay attention to my Twitter updates. The term that we use, pips pool, means the maximum available number of pips you could have got on recap entries. Past week results from 29th of February, so this is a typo, 29th. Euro dollar 30 pips, pound dollar 60 pips, Australian dollar minus 45, dollar CAD didn't qualify, Euro GBP plus 40, total pips pool plus 85. Trade of the week, GBP dollar. Some people told me that they even made more money, especially with GBP and Euro GBP. Some people took trades on Euro dollar. Well, whatever you did, you should have been profitable, definitely. This was Euro dollar trade from last week's setup, and this was where our sell position was initiated. But now this is discussable because setup happened 3 days after I posted the analysis. So we had a recap on Monday and the setup was activated 3 days after. So the thing is, some people told me, can we still use the setup on euro dollar? And I said yes. So for some people, well, the only available trade was breakout sell because we had a breakout. But some people actually took this one. So it's still profitable. Market plan for pound dollar was a clear sell at 40.90. Sell was initiated here. And after some time, we had like 60 pips possible. Okay, we had like 60 pips possible rejection from this level here. Australian dollar, you can see Australian dollar, we had a buy position at 70.80, but unfortunately, our buy position was not initiated as the price continued to go upward after the rejection from 71.00 levels. It was close though. Dollar CAD, same as previous setup. The price didn't pull back to our entry. And you can see here, it proceeded straight through to our level. Because of that, I did a revised setup. I didn't count this in our session recap, but guys, we had a revised setup here. Dollar CAD poised to challenge next support, where I made you another analysis. See, the price went to POC and dropped for 150 pips. And a lot of people thanked me for this setup because it was very good trade. I can agree. Really one of the best trades for I mean, maybe this was the best trade for the current month. But the thing is, it was respected to the pip. So dollar CAD pulled back to our POC and it was rejected towards our targets. And I hope that you made also money with this one. Okay, and let's see, what do we have here? Dollar CAD, and finally we have Euro GBP. Well, I was a bit sure about this trade, and I knew that it will make some pips, but I didn't know how much because I posted the analysis for this, and I also made a recap analysis. So we had two possible setups. The first setup probably gave you like 30-40 pips, and the next setup at 77.25 gave you some 50 pips. So I hope that you also made money with EURGBP, and that was also one of better trades last week. So this was for the previous week. Now let's move on to this week. I'm still seeing longs, but guys, be careful because you don't want to trade on Thursday. On Thursday, we will have ECB meeting where next steps of ECB policy will be announced. So you don't want to take any setups on Thursday. This is what we have for next few days. Wednesday is the maximum. So euro dollar again. Sorry guys, this is a typo. I will change this. Okay, it's actually buy position, not sell position. As you know, I'm bullish on euro dollar. The same thing is with my analysis and with my prediction on Forex Street. Here, let me give you the slide first. So this is it. Euro dollar, I still think that it should go higher, and you see that the price is respected, but it needs to break this level. So this is the same slide, guys, as for our analysis today. So if you're in a trade, you're in a good profit. I can say that. And for all of you who still joined a bit later, this was my analysis for you. Cup and handle on intraday chart here. You can see it here. And I hope that, and yes, well, Doug said that he made money. Well, if you're still in a trade, this is it. The same thing, okay? And it corresponds to my prediction. You will just type Paul here and you can see the link. Here it's currencies forecast Paul on Forex Street. Oh, let me see. 26th of February. I made this on Friday, so it should be up. I didn't check it to be honest, but let's see. But basically, I go according to my analysis. Well, you see, I'm only in the 15% of analysts who predicted it will be bullish. Did I put my analysis? Yes, here. All are bearish most of the time. See? But well, guys, I don't know, to be honest. NFP told me much about euro dollar, and definitely that was also the plan with euro dollar, what I published on Friday with Forex Street. See here, the bottom of right shoulder, guys. Here we had long here. Also today, guys, one of the reasons why I made another similar analysis, because this is real price action, guys. This is how you should read the price action. Read the history, use the confluence. Here, see POC. This is clear cup with handle on euro dollar. Okay, see, we can sometimes have cup within the cup and handle within the handle. So the bottom of this handle, point B, was actually the lower part of our confluence of a trend line, EMA 89, 50 fib, and L4. And the price came here, and now it's like 60, 70 pips in profit. You still can't complain about 60, 70 pips of a profit because, well, first of all, it's Monday, and second of all, it's free, right? So this is what we have, and this is what we still are seeing on euro dollar chart. Pound dollar, same thing. Again, I made a typo. Why? Okay, I will correct this. Actually, this is what I will do. Buy 41.40, stop loss is 41, target is 43.40. We sell at 43.90, stop loss 44.20, TP 42.50. Okay, and let's see. Pound dollar. We want to see the close of this retail gap. So this is a retail gap, and if it closes here, I think that we can have a sell at this region, 17 to 90. Okay, so Kuram is asking for euro dollar. Kuram, it's basically the same as today's setup. So if you are in a profit from today's analysis on euro dollar that I published on Admiral Markets, it's the same. You don't have anything to I don't have anything to add. Watch for breakout above 1040 if it happens. See pound dollar, we want to close the gap. We want to buy on retracement. Let's go with this swing, particular swing. We need a retracement. So if retracement starts from this, but we don't know when it will start, but if it starts, you see that there is a lot of confluence here. So I think that it could show some retracement again. Also, there is a trend line here. So this is buying spot. This is your selling spot. See, historical selling here. Watch for this. So pound dollar setup is exactly as it says on the slide. Now we go to Australian dollar, again uptrend on Australian dollar. We have a buy position at 73.70. 73.30 is stop loss. 75.00 is target. Sell position 75.00, stop loss 75.30. 74 is the target. Okay. So it's very clear. Here I will show you Australian dollar. Sorry guys, let me show you the chart. Okay, see. Australian dollar, good uptrend, strong uptrend here. We can't complain about the strength of upward momentum. Also on 4 hour, look at this. Also on daily, look at this. So we want a retracement. The retracement is 73.70. I need to watch the previous low because that is the most obvious low here. You see, you have a bullish order block. See here, retest continuation. 1, 2, 3. So I think that Australian dollar could go more to the upside. So it's bottom dips. And historically strong level for a sell is 75.00 and Australian dollar is close. So let's see what will happen. You see there is a lot of selling at 75.00 region in the history. So I guess it will be sold at 75.00, but because that is counter trend trade, be careful how you manage the trade. Okay. Dollar CAD, sell position at 34.05, stop loss at 34.50, target price at 32.00, buy position at 32.30, stop loss 32.00, TP 34.50. So dollar CAD, see, a lot of confluence here. So if the price pulls back, we should be shorting it. So sell here, 32.30 is a buy. See, historically very strong level. So at 32.30, I would look to buy, and I would look to sell at 34.05, whichever hits first. Sell here, buy there, lower. Okay. And finally, Euro GBP. Euro GBP is buy at 77.50. Sorry guys, again a typo. It's a sell at 77.50. Well, I was looking sell 77.50. So this is where I would be looking for a sell here. See? Let's see what we will have. Now guys, you can ask questions. You don't see the slide. This is the slide. Here. And we will go now through the slides again and prepare your questions if you have it. So okay. A good news for you guys is that when we finish with price action trading school, and price action trading school should finish maybe in September or maybe in October, we will see depending on the number of classes, we will have additional trading day in a form of a webinar that will be similar to session recap, but it will be a bit different. But it will be similar, and it will be based on, as always, practical naked trading that I've been teaching you on price action trading school. So that is a good news. And because of that, hurry up and don't miss any of the premium classes, because price action trading school is cool not to be missed. It's not like standard school, joking, where we actually missed it from some time from time to time. Price action trading school should not be missed. It's for your own good sake. It's for your own wellness, guys. You need to learn to trade as professionals do. Because of that, when we finish with price action trading school course, we will have live trading days, okay, and setups similar to session recap, okay. And of course, session recap will stay So you will have basically 2 days for live trading with me. But well, all in a due time. At this point, enjoy the profits you made on euro dollar, and you're still making. So let's roll the slides and I will answer questions. And EURGBP. Now the questions. Dear Nenad, since euro-dollar made the action from 1.0940 to 11020, would you still wait to get back to 1.0925? Well, not necessarily. I think that Apostolos, if you zoom into lower time frame, you can find some good entries at this region indeed. So yes, I think that you could look for a possible long setup here or here at 80. Okay. And I think it should go more than 1040. So let's see, but I think it should definitely. So yes, you can try it. Now let's go to another question. Pound yen. Pound yen. Well, this is definitely a strong move. And you see, this is classic N, and it's going higher. So this is bought on dips. I would be looking to sell here. And for long trades, well, definitely this was your chance to go long. This is V-shaped reversal. If it goes above H3, it should go to hit this zone here. So pay attention to that. Okay, now where will stop the correction? I don't know. I'm long on euro dollar, so on euro dollar, if this breaks, I'm targeting 1.1070 and possibly 1.1150. So I'm bullish on euro dollar. Okay, next question is okay. Let me see. I think the question is euro ruble, Russian ruble. Let's see if I, okay, an SP 500. SP 500, you can see here, strong uptrend, bottom dips. Okay, so this is the level to watch for any deep retracements. This could be the level to go long. And if you open daily time frame, here you can see the recent selling from this zone, so it's getting close to resistance. Okay, so it's getting close to resistance. Okay, let's see, do I have it here? Euro ruble, I don't trade it, so I'm really not a specialist for the pair. So I really don't take any look at euro ruble, Madis. If you have any other pair from these pairs, whatever, but a euro ruble is, I don't trade it. Dogan is saying he's short at pound dollar. Well, Dogan, this looks bullish and it looks like it will close this gap. As I said, this is the chance for you to sell, but at this point it's bullish, really it's bullish. Chris is asking for Euro GBP slide. Of course, Chris. This is it. Then, because I missed the entry, can I sell at 10.45 for quickly 15 pips? You can try to scalp, but I'm afraid that euro dollar could be going above, you see, because it's breakout. If it goes above 1040, then go long, don't go short. AUD, yen, and gold. Of course, what did I say on AUD, yen? Very, very bullish. AUD, yen is very bullish, and it will target 85.60 near term. So long, buy on dips. See, this was dip, and this dip has been bought, so buy on dips. Gold. Let me see, where did I, okay, this is the gold. Again, you want to go long. Currently, it's losing its upside momentum, but it's very strong to the upside. So I would be long on dips. Although this can make a head and shoulders, but this is actually where it gets interesting. You see this buying. It indicates institutional buying. So I'm not sure that this can be valid head and shoulders. I would go long on gold. Or in New Zealand, commodity currencies. See? Again, buy on dips. So buy, go long on dips. You can watch this region to possibly go long here. Next question, do you think that because of expectation for ECB action, euro dollar shall weaken? We don't know. I would really look for a sell where I told you around this region. But this is what we go with euro dollar. So currently, guys, I'm really one of the rare analysts who is actually long on euro dollar. So it depends on ECB what they will say about their monetary policy, but at this time it's pretty much bullish. Dan is saying, pleasure meeting you at London Forex Expo. Hope it went good for you guys. Yes, Dan, thank you. It went really good. It was great seeing UK, and we expect another meeting in UK. I hope sometime soon, so you will be, of course, we will announce if we are to come. Could you show dollar CAD again, please? Yes, dollar CAD. This is dollar CAD. Sell here, alternative here. Ilya, you asked for Audi, what? New Zealand. Obviously, because of Chinese market during Asian session, and don't forget that latest results were good, and Australia and New Zealand are exporting to China. So Chinese are importers of copper, also dairy, and Australian dollar is hard commodity, while New Zealand is soft commodity currency. So whenever Chinese market goes up, Australia and New Zealand will go up too. Type on Euro GBP slides. Yes, I'm looking for a sell. Chris, I'm looking for a sell, not buy. So I'm looking for a sell of Euro GBP pair at 77.50. Okay. Gas today, well, you see that basically WTI actually spiked the price of oil, so oil was really bought today during the New York session, and we had a strong movement in oil price. So actually oil went to 37.40 and you could have seen a bullish movement. For ODN, I would go with short later because it's strong, very strong to the upside. So for short trades, I would really go with 86.40, not now. Next question. Let me see. Okay. My English is not so good, so that I couldn't follow quick. Could you please write down where to find your trading school? Oh, Manfred, it's series of webinars. Of course, I will show you that in a moment. So here where you go to education and webinars, you can find, okay, this is next price action trading school. So naldermarkets.com education. And every single video that I recorded with on price action trading school has been published. So here you can also find videos. Price action trading school channel here. Okay. Yes, Ilya, is China. Then you didn't miss anything. Vasily is saying I'm short. Dollar yen approach 113.1. Yes, it's institutional buying. On dollar yen, you can see this was heavily protected. So I can say this is indeed institutional buying. So be careful for dollar yen shorts. Vita is saying, hi, I'm new in trading, so I have a lot of questions just listening. Okay. Mark Boy is asking for EURCAD. This is EURCAD. See, potential head and shoulders and strong buying here. I would probably go short on EURCAD, but I'm not interested to actually trade EURCAD. See, you have a head and shoulders here, but so you see, I wouldn't go long. I would probably go short at this region. Okay, so be careful about it. Rico is saying, thank you, Nenad, another good webinar. Jorge, oh no, sorry, not Jorge. George, pound yen. The dragon. Strong V-shaped reversal on 1 hour time frame. Guys, do you recognize this? This is EMA 89, you see? It was very close here. See? T89 here. Vita is asking, what means short? Sell it. Yes. Short is sell, long is buy. So it was not just a coincidence that the pair bounced from EMA 89. You know the power of EMA 89. I've already showed you T89, my favorite pattern. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please do ask, because can you roll the slides again? Yes. And Euro ruble. Okay, the slides I will roll as soon as I published, as soon as I finish, sorry, with the webinar. I'm trying to find Euro ruble here. Not sure why it doesn't show up. Maybe it's here. I don't have it here. So yeah, no Euro ruble here at this chart. Chris is asking, what would be correct trade management if we scale into trade 15 pips early? Then it immediately goes 30 pips profit. Well, Chris, that is when you should consider booking in your profits. So just don't go above your risk, Chris. It depends on your account. So if you will not trade with more than 1% of a risk for that trade, it's okay. Vita, is it possible to record? Yes, I'm recording the webinar and it will be uploaded today or tomorrow. Dan is asking where we can find what moves most: Euro, AUD, New Zealand CAD, yen. I don't understand you, Dan. What do you mean where we can find what moves? Currency pairs are moved by different factors. You know that already. Chris, move stop loss or not? You can protect your trade if you're in profit. It's called profit stop. So yes, once you're in profit, you move your stop loss. You need to decide about it. You can move it to break even, you can move it in plus 20 pips of profit. Whatever you do, it's up to you how you will manage your trade. It depends on different factors. I usually I protect my trade after 20 pips of profit if I see that market is not moving fast. So yes, I usually go with profit stops, Chris. Yes, Dan is saying for every currency is different. Indeed, Dan, it depends on the country. Yes. Yes, and weak and strong. Indeed. Derek is asking for dollar Swissy. Let me find it. It's usually just counter euro dollar. Here is it's dollar ruble. I don't have euro ruble. Dollar Swissy. Okay, let's see. It's a ranging action. It looks bullish. Yes, it's inverse to euro dollar. Exactly, Leah. I mean, what I wanted to say is euro dollar and dollar Swiss are moving in the opposite direction. It's the same movement, but in opposite direction. And should I roll the slides? Yes, I will roll the slides. Pay attention to euro dollar because it's already happening, because we are carrying the trade over from our analysis. So this trade is currently happening. This is not a new setup. This is happening on euro dollar. So you should be in profit if you followed my analysis today. Here. Euro GBP. And Derek is asking, is that reverse head and shoulders? No, this is not a reverse head and shoulders. This is just a form of, well, you see, the up channel has been formed now. This is bounce. So this is now an up channel on dollar Swissy. See, so let's see what will it break to the downside or spike to the upside. Yes, then you're right. Carries oil. Yes, New Zealand is dairy. AUD is iron and copper. Japan technology. Also, Nikkei index is Japan, so follow it. Do you look for any type of confirmation euro dollar breakout? Chris, there are three ways how you trade breakout. Trigger happy, breakout retest, or breakout pullback continuation. Please take a look at my webinars, how to trade breakout. I explained it everywhere. I explained it already. So it's up to you how you will trade breakout. If I see that there is a huge momentum, I will go with trigger happy. If I see that there is no momentum, then I will go with breakout retest. So just pay attention. There are three ways how we trade breakouts. Vita is asking how long your market plans are valid. It's these market plans are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. Okay, guys. So basically, that was it. Dan is saying China is okay. China is China A50 market. Australian is ASX 200. USA is S&P 500. European market is DAX. So pay attention to equities. If you're not sure about the equities, watch my webinars. Webinar correlation with Forex and equities. Okay, guys, I don't see any questions, so we can say, I can wish you very good trading and I can call it a day. We had a great week behind us. We are already in profit on euro dollar. So this trade is in profit, guys. Pay attention to your own systems now because this is in profit and we might have 1040 breakout. So pay attention. Let's see what we will get as another trade setup. Martin is saying ECB was rumored to go further negative in interest rates. Yes, if it goes negative, it will be a strong sell on euro dollar, Martin, I reckon. So yes, on Thursday, if they introduce a negative rate, euro dollar should tank. Jan is saying, how can I make MACD in two different colors like you? Simply enough. You go here, indicators list, here, MACD cam, and go colors here. But you need to have this indicator. If you don't have MACD cam, send an email to me, Jan, and I will send it over. My email is tarantulafx@gmail.com. Okay, guys. So enjoy the profits in euro dollar. Hopefully we will get some other trades too. And I will see you very, very soon. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for your comments. Chris and everyone, cheers and trade safe.